Drill and drop, non-entry, wet unloading reactors. Why? Because we care for people. What is the situation now? When unloading the catalyst from a reactor, technicians inside the reactor are jackhammering to dislodge the fused catalyst. This is a risk for the technicians because they can get in contact with hazardous and toxic materials. What is our solution? We make sure unloading the catalyst is done without technicians entering the reactor. Installing the drill can be done quick. The reactor will be emptied using an integrated high-pressure jetting and drilling system. We do this through accurate positioning of the nozzles and automatic hydrojetting. We recycle the used water. This is a faster way of unloading. Let's recap. Our system avoids technicians entering confined spaces to dislodge and vacuum the catalyst. We also avoid people to come in contact with hazardous and toxic materials. We have zero environment contamination, recycling of the process water. And we are working as a team. We always go one step further to provide solutions for our customers. Drill and drop. Say yes to innovations.